Hi there, and welcome to the Trading Secrets YouTube channel. This is Dries Cronje, and today is Results Day. I'm sharing some of the results of the approaches and systems that I'm going to teach you with you. MNQ is the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 index future. As we said, this is the core trend trading approach of that index. In other words, when I say core trend trading approach, it's just very basic trend level price. What I'm busy teaching you guys in these videos is what gets used to determine trend level and price. Um, and you can see this is a fairly boring approach. It's on the daily chart of the Nasdaq 100. I've redacted some information here to prevent someone from trying to reverse engineer this and then trading something they don't really understand on the market and losing money because of that. So I'm not showing you everything. You'll see it as a win ratio of 70% and a return over, this is 2.5 years, of about 75.6%. So it's actually almost more, if you want to actually trade it, it's more like an investment approach almost. Um, Something that maybe a long short hedge fund might follow. But this forms the core, and that's where the name is from, the core of our trading systems. So, based off this and using this as a basis, you'll see that I've developed the MNQ intra-week trading system. So this, swing trading, like we've just seen, you can have 10 or 11 trades over 2.5 years. It's very boring. But then intraday trading is this extremely busy, time-consuming, hectic approach where you've got to sit in front of your screen and watch every little move, and it's stressful and not necessarily ideal, although it is lucrative. And when the markets move, it is really enjoyable. It's just not suitable for always. Where I thought there's got to be a golden midway in a sense, and I came up with the idea of intra-week trading. And this is the intra-week trading system where you're out every weekend, but because futures trade 24 hours, during the week you can always have a stop in the market, you can always have a target in the market, and you can always, in that sense at least, be safe. The market won't open below your stop or hurt you in some other way. So you'll see that we've got 62 trades here, I think, over what's this, 9, 10 months. So very easy to trade. And for let's just put this in as a 2% risk per trade, working with a notional capital of 100,000 US. You'll see that this your returns. Let me just do this first. Your returns is, if you're risking 2%, you can see here that it sort of oscillates around to, sometimes there's an outlier like 6.8, 4, 3, 3. But it never does like 6 or 7 times what you risk. I think the closest we get is this one, where it's almost 4 times reward, 3.86R. So almost 4 times what you've risked, you made back. But the nice thing is it wins 83.6% of the time, and that is really easy to live with. And overall, you achieve a return. Like, remember, you must add the 100% of the starting capital to this, so you have a 2.6x your capital this year if you risk 2% per trade, and then if you make this maybe 3.5% per trade risk, you'll see that you, from the start of the year, have 5.26 x your capital. And if you are feeling really brave, you can do 5. You never go over 5% of your capital per trade risk, and that is not for intraday. That is way too high of risk for intraday or shorter time frames. I'm purely talking about a swing type of system. Um, you can see you would have 10.5x your capital thus far this year if you risked 5% per trade. So the point of this, guys, is to just show you that the approaches and what I'm trying to embed in your minds here and teach you is really lucrative. You can really work with this and achieve some amazing results on the market. If you had 100,000 US in Jan, and you were now sitting with 1.05 million, that would have been a worthwhile little side hustle, wouldn't it? Okay, so, and as I said, 62 trades in 9 months, very easy. Anyone could do this. So yeah, I just wanted to show you. It might look boring. It might seem very simplistic. Some of the stuff I'm teaching you, it works like a charm. Thank you so much for watching. We'll chat more tomorrow. Bye bye.